Hey guys, just took delivery of my Model Y and super excited about it. Just wanted to show a couple ways to get higher speed charging at home, especially if you're on a little bit of a budget. So number one would be, oh, look at that, have an existing level 2 charger. The only downside would be that there's no way to specifically charge a Tesla, but included with the car is the adapter to go from the J1772 to Tesla. Boom, there you go. Let's say you're not in the camp of already having a level 2 charger. This is included from the factory from Tesla. This is the mobile charger. And we've got a nice extension cable there, the Tesla plug, the power pack, and this fancy schmancy normal outlet. This will get you about 3 miles of range per hour. Super slow, but it's included, so in a pinch, you've got an option from the factory. But if you go onto Tesla's website, this little guy is only 35 bucks. We've got a NEMA 1450 adapter, and let's pop that in here. That is in. Let's unplug the juice box and plug that in. Boom. So now, if I remember correctly, this will charge quite a bit faster. I think 32 amps or 40 amps. Time to find out. Here we go. Getting started. So my car's mostly charged, so not a huge need to charge it right now. I believe the mobile charger will go at about 32 amps. Oh yeah, 32 amps. You can see it on the screen. Cool. That's option number 2. And option number 3, if you want to spend a little bit more, have a little bit more attractive of the charger and get the fastest speed, buy this guy. Get this directly from Tesla's website. It goes out of stock all the time, but it's a pretty sleek charger. This is kind of like what you see around, at businesses and such. This is about as good as they get for level 2 chargers for Tesla. You'll get a 48 amp charge speed, so substantially higher than kind of our improvised, NEMA 1450 at home version. But this guy for 35 bucks really is a bargain if you already have an outlet. Or if you luck out and your electrical service is in the garage, just basically behind where your connection is, you could probably get parts for this for 30, 40 bucks. You could do it on the cheap. So there's 3 options for you. Go team.